Hey guys, Beetlejuice here in my stripy romper. I am excited to start this vlog. My friend Taylor is coming over. You might know her as Officially Posy on Instagram. She is our designer for our stickers and she's opening her own Etsy shop. And I have the great honor of helping her and I'm so excited. So she's gonna be coming over and we're gonna be building her Etsy shop. So I will link everything down below. She is just the most talented human being I've ever met, and she will say otherwise, but don't let her fool you. She's truly amazing. So I thought might as well bring you guys along today, show you a little bit about what we're doing maybe, and we'll see what happens. No pressure on the day, but I figured might as well start a vlog off. I did my hair for the second time this week. Who am I? I don't know. 24601. That's who I am. All right, let's do this thing. So I'm giving the dashboard a go from the new Erin Condren Hello Kitty collection that's out now. I'm pretty sure by the time this video goes up. I have been just using the ruler, but I thought, let's try this out. See maybe if I track something on here or if I have like a weekly to-do list of things that I want to get done during the week, but I don't have a specific time or day. So we'll see how it goes because I haven't really been doing anything with this one, so might as well see if maybe I can up the productivity and organization with this bad boy. They're always bad boys. Whenever I'm like, this bad girl, always a bad boy. When I was younger, I always thought it was so cool to have lipstick on a coffee mug or like a chai latte, and now I'm that adult. Does that make me cool? So I don't even know where I'm supposed to be looking. So I always end up joining like my meetings early and then I find myself just like effing around and then someone pops in and I'm like, oh hey. You think I would know better by now, but I don't. Hey mister. Cafe. Hey dude. It's just me and Alex in 100 million Zoom meetings throughout the entire day, every day, for weeks on end. Guys, did you know this? I just finished my meeting and somehow we got in the conversation of shaving and they talked about how there used to be this like razor slot in medicine cabinets and the razors would literally just go into the wall. So if you like broke into the wall, there'd just be a pile of razors. Did you know? How did I not know about this? This is nuts. Hey guys, today is Monday in my office as per usual. I basically live in here. If I'm not sleeping or playing Animal Crossing, I am in this room. Currently, I am building a website today. So I'm a little like grumpy. I always get grumpy when I do websites. I don't know. I just am so focused that I'm like, don't talk to me. Stop. Just go, just no, I don't want emails. I kind of basically just like turn everything off and only focus on building the website, but it's turning out pretty good, so I'm really happy with the progress so far. But I wanted to show you something that I worked on this morning for the Black Lives Matter box that's coming out in September. All of the items are here, so I'll be doing little sneaks along the way, but this was the last one I needed to do. So here are some fist laser cut earrings. So each of the boxes will have a set of these cut by moi, and I think it just really rounds out all of the items in the box. So that box goes live September, the first Saturday in September, and I'm really excited about it. I have some really awesome Black owned businesses in there. I think they're all Black women owned businesses too. But like I said, there'll be more spoilers, but I've been cutting these all morning, like running back and forth from my computer into our living room where the laser currently is, and I'm using it as a little break, like a mental break from the website. But just a little update for me. My friend Mary started a Redbubble account, so I purchased some items from it and the stickers came in. So she designed this cute sticker and then this really adorable shark one. And we're working together because she's going to design some products for a future Oh Hello box. So super excited to put these just in my planner, just plopping them stickers down. So I made this greeting card box out of an old Erin Condren recipe box and added stickers to the recipe cards for the different sections of like celebrate, thanks, notes, sympathy. And then in the front, I write birthday cards ahead of time, or if I have a spare moment, and then I date when their birthday is so that I know to make sure to send it out. Or if I have to figure out like how many gift cards or something, if I want to give them a gift card, how many I need to get for the next upcoming like birthdays and stuff. So I just like to put them here. That way I will always see it from my desk and I don't miss anyone's birthday or anniversary or anything that I want to send them a card for. So I'm just editing the footage you just saw, and I wanted to wrap up the video in a nice little package. So I'm so excited that Taylor's shop is open. You saw a little clip in there as we were working on it together. So I will link that below, as well as my friend Mary's account. Apparently I just have really talented friends and really artistic, amazing people in my life, so I feel very fortunate. But that is gonna be it for this little all over the place vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want to do more like smaller vlogs more frequently, so let me know if you're interested in that format. If you didn't like this video, just hit that down thumb twice, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.